It's that time of the year where we get to see the latest and greatest in flagship devices from Samsung. Your first look at these devices. This is my first impressions of the Galaxy S24.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
In usual fashion, Samsung kicked off its first Unpacked of the year with a major phone event. Not just an event to announce the Galaxy S24, but heavily structured around AI. We kicked off with Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI is a combination of device-based processing and cloud-based generative AI, and thanks to Samsung's partnership with Google, the Galaxy S24 devices are powered with new and amazing features. Last year sometime, we got a first look of Google's own AI model called Gemini AI, and this is the first use of Gemini AI in non-Google smartphones. It is Gemini Pro on Vertex AI, which makes things like summarization of notes, voice recorder and keyboard translation possible. Both these translations are termed Note Assist and Transcript Assist respectively. Galaxy AI also makes use of Imaging 2 for generative edits on photos, as well as Gemini Ultra for complex tasks. And during the event, these use cases were clearly showcased, which was truly fascinating. The particular feature that caught my attention was the Call Assist feature with Live Translate, where should you be having a conversation on the phone with someone who speaks a different language from what you speak, it will translate in real time and speak back what you say to the person in the language they are speaking, which is insane. This clearly eliminates the language barrier when you visit countries that don't speak your native language and allows you to communicate in what language they understand. I'll go more in depth into these features when I get to test and use them extensively. Onto the phones. As usual, there are three devices: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. Not much has changed with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. They do have a 0.1-inch larger display than their predecessors, as well as now having a Quad HD Plus resolution display, similar to the S24 Ultra, which wasn't the case for last year's devices. Batteries are slightly bigger this time around, with the Galaxy S24 having a 4000 mAh battery, which is up by 100 mAh comparing it to last year, and the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 4900 mAh battery capacity. The S24 Ultra, however, has had some significant changes. It's more premium, replacing the aluminum frame from last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra with the titanium body, as well as the 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom camera, 450 megapixel 5x optical zoom to shoot more clearer and sharper images. It also comes with 12 GB RAM, no longer 8 GB. It has also seen a $100 price increase, putting it at $1,300 for the S24 Ultra, $800 for the base S24, and $1,000 for the S24 Plus. Samsung decided to tease the new products coming soon after they announced the new features in Samsung Health, which would help improve sleep tracking and other health measuring features. This product is the Galaxy Ring, which would most likely work as a health tracker. They didn't say much about it, no pricing, not a release date, but I'll definitely be on the lookout to provide more information as soon as possible.
Be on the lookout for reviews on this channel when I get units in-house somewhere next week to test. So subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified when those videos drop. Thank you for watching. I'm Dessy, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.